Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This auspicious occasion of the inauguration of the multipurpose building is undoubtedly a red letter day and a landmark in the history of the school. Regressing the annals of the history of St. Mary's English High School, we stumble upon certain interesting facts which I'm here to share with you. St. Mary's English High School was founded by the late Stanley Rose Mayer and his wife Ethel Rose Mayer with 5 students in the year 1943 with the intention of helping out the Anglo-Indian community. Initially, the primary classes were held in their own premises in Ambagan, Sakchi, Jamshedpur. Subsequently, with the increase in the number, the school was shifted to the Bengal Club, Sakchi, premises in 1948. With the migration of Stanley Rose Mayer to England in 1960, the school was handed over to his brother, the late Cyril B. Rose Mayer. Before migrating to England with his whole family, Cyril Rose Mayer handed over the school to the late Harry Disa and his wife Maud Disa in 1964. With the management changing hands, the school too was shifted to the Utkal Association premises. As the school grew, Harry Disa approached the TISCO management for additional rooms. In 1971, the TISCO management was kind enough to offer one of its school buildings, formerly occupied by Balika Vidyalaya opposite Kareem City College, Sakchi. Again, in May 1975, the TISCO management finally granted the old LP school premises on Kharkai Link Road, Bishtupur, for the smooth running of the school. With only 8 classrooms and with growing number of students, the school had to be run in 2 shifts. In the beginning, the first few batches appeared for the Cambridge examination through Bishop Westcott School, Namkum, Ranchi. Later, the students had to appear for the Bihar School Examination Board as private candidates through Zilla School, Chaibasa. In 1965, arrangements were made for the students to appear through Mrs. KMPM High School, Barba Mines, and Tata Workers Union High School, Kadma. Due to changes in the government policies, the batches of 1989, 1990 and 1991 were fortunate to appear through St. Mary's Hindi High School, Bishtupur. With the sincere intention of uplifting the institute, negotiations began with the Bishop of Jamshedpur, Most Reverend Dr. Joseph Rodericks, S.J., for the Jamshedpur diocese to take over the school. This was finalized in 1980 and the administration and management of the school was handed over to Jamshedpur Diocesan Education Society. The society handed over the day-to-day running of the school to the Ursuline Sisters in 1980. The diocese finally decided to register the school under the CBSE board, Delhi. Father Galbert Furtado and Father Cyril Fernandez were appointed as the principal and vice principal respectively to carry forward this task. Beginning with only 8 classrooms and the school running in 2 shifts, Father Galbert Furtado realized the need for a bigger building and more classrooms and began negotiations with Tata Steel for this purpose.
Thanks to Tata Steel, the cherished hopes of St. Mary's were fulfilled. The foundation stone was laid for the 3-storied building with lab facilities on September 21, 1990. With the untiring efforts and zeal of Father Golbert, the new building was inaugurated within 1 year. Needless to say, the students of Standard 1 to 10 were delighted to take their bags and occupy the new classrooms, and the old building became the KG block. Principal Father Golbert applied for affiliation to Central Board of Secondary Education, and the CBSE granted affiliation for the school in November 13, 1991, and the first batch of 36 students appeared for the All India Secondary School Examination in 1993. Since our secondary school examination were good, CBSE sent its inspection team to clear the way for upgradation to 10+2. In the year 2000, the school upgraded to 10+2 level, and our first batch of students appeared at the All India Senior Certificate Examination in March 2002. The number of students in pure science, bioscience, and commerce were 39, 33, and 48 respectively. Father Rock Cardoza took over the reins of principal, and Father Jonas Calco was appointed as the vice principal. We bid fond but tearful farewells to Father Golbert and Father Cyril, and will always remember the service in improving the infrastructure of the school. Father Edward J. Saldana and Father S. Puthumairaj followed as principal and vice principal, respectively. During their tenure, St. Mary's scaled new heights and excelled in the arena of sports like cricket and football. Our students were unbeatable and won every match they competed for. Father Edward was also instrumental in obtaining the JME building for St. Mary's. The Tata Steel management approved Father Edward's application and generously handed over the JME building on L Road to the Jamshedpur Diocese. What we now know as the junior block was a humble building with just a handful of classrooms and a 1-acre ground. Negotiations were successful with the JNAC, and the primary school began to take shape with renovation of the old building and an additional building with more classrooms to accommodate classes 1 to 5. The KG department was soon shifted, and the little ones were excited and happy to be with junior children instead of the older ones. The primary school on L Road was christened Junior Block. The Kharkai Link Road building became the senior block with classes 6 to 12. Father Elvis Dungdung as principal and Father Sayathasan and Father David Vincent as vice principals were the successors of Father Edward and Father Raj respectively. Father Elvis Dungdung carried forward the legacy of St. Mary's and welcomed the Sisters of St. Joseph of Tabs, who were appointed by the bishop to run the junior block. Dynamic Sister Christie established her community's convent in the same building. Consequently, she and a team of young and energetic sisters improved and beautified the junior block with tree planting and colorful murals on the walls. Father Gerald Martin D'Souza held the reins of the school from 2007 to 2011, with Father A. Alphonse, Sister Christie, and Father Vernon D'Souza as vice principals. A man of strict discipline and true academician, Father Gerald elevated academic standards of the school. He was the inspiration and major drive behind the visualization of the dream of a multipurpose building. It was Father Gerald who initiated this mammoth task. The auspicious ceremony of the new building christened Junior Block was also held during Father Gerald's tenure of administration.
When Father David Vincent took over as principal with Sister Christie as vice principal, St. Mary's became a much sought after school with people eagerly seeking admission in its impressive portals. The school's strength grew to 2,500 plus students, and the need for more classrooms was realized. A new wing with 6 more classrooms was added to the old building. As the Tata Steel Workers Union and the school management felt a need for adding another section to plus 2, yet more space was needed. Father David Vincent worked day and night to get the approval and funds for the construction of the new wing. The school office was shifted to a brand new administrative block with a large and airy office for Father David. This block was dedicated to late Father Galbert Furtado, a fitting tribute to our beloved ex-principal. And Father C.R. Prabhu, Vicar General of the Jamshedpur Diocese, inaugurated the building in 2014. Sister Mariam took over the running of the junior block as the vice principal, and Father Linus Kindo was appointed as the vice principal of the senior block. With this young and energetic trio at the helm, there were further heights to scale and bigger dreams to realize. Father David Vincent was instrumental in fulfilling Father Gerald's dream of a multi-purpose building within the boundary walls of the school, and so he went about achieving this huge task. He approached Tata Steel for funds and was successful in obtaining a generous donation of rupees 2 crores towards an estimated cost of rupees 8 crores. The JNAC approved the building plans and the grounds were inaugurated by Mr. H.M. Nerurkar and Father C.R. Prabhu in 2013. As this ambitious project began to take shape, costs to raise it began to spiral, and our generous benefactors, well-wishers, and parents came to the rescue. We are indebted to the teachers as well as the administrative crew who have superannuated from the school, but are still considered as the foundation pillars of the institution. We express our gratitude towards you. Our sincere and heartfelt thanks to all of you present here. Today, the school is proud to have Father Putumai Raj as the principal, Sister Mariam as the vice principal, Father Pradeep Marandi as the vice principal, Father George Manarakam as the manager, and Father David Vincent as the secretary, who are steering the school to the zenith of its glory.